YouTube, it's Naeem Nappy, and I'm coming at you guys for another Tip Tuesday. Just a little bit of a change of scenery for you guys. This week, I'm featuring the herb burdock root. Now, a lot of you guys indicated on my Instagram poll, I'll insert the clips here, that you guys were actually interested in herbs as much as you were interested in oils. So today, I kind of want to make a burdock root oil so you get a little bit of both. And also kind of tie this into something that I previously talked about in my previous YouTube videos, and that's about my anemia. So I experience anemia-related hair loss occasionally, and I'll link up my anemia story here. You should definitely check it out. I do give you guys 5 free recipes to help with any anemia and hair loss, okay? But burdock root is really phenomenal, and I'm planning on incorporating this herb into my regimen, including taking it in supplementally, as well as using the oil for my hair. Okay, so burdock root is phenomenal for a ton of things. It's so rich in nutrients. And I recommend that you actually look up all the benefits of burdock root. I'm not a doctor or herbalist. This is just research that I found phenomenal, and I will also link some of the research I found on my blog post, so you can definitely check that out as well down in the description box. Okay, so burdock root is phenomenal for healing anemia. And anemia, a lot of people just think of it as iron-related anemia, but anemia is so much more than just that. You could have vitamin deficient anemia, iron-related, folic acid-related anemia. But the wonderful thing about burdock root is that it helps with all of those. It is rich in vitamin B6, folic acid, iron, vitamin A. It is very, very strengthening. It is known as a natural diuretic. It cleanses your blood. So that's why I want to take it internally and then use it externally as well. Now, I'll be mixing this oil, of course, in conjunction with a few herbs I've already done in previous videos, such as ashwagandha, which we learned is really beneficial for stress-related hair loss. I'll link the video up here. With Brahmi, which is a regenerative herb. So it really helps to heal the scalp and helps new hair follicles to grow from it. That also includes horsetail, which also has wonderful benefits for growing your hair long and strong, and amla. Now, amla, I haven't done an official video just only on amla, but I have a blog post on amla, and I also have a hidden amla video. I can also link that for you guys if you're interested. And of course, the 5th herb I will be adding to this is the burdock root, which is a feature of today's video. Okay, so let's get to mixing. Begin by creating a water bath to heat up your oils. I pour about 1/2 cup of coconut oil into the pan and let it dissolve. Feel free to use whatever penetrating oils you may have in your house. Next, I add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, followed by about 1/4 cup of castor oil. So I'll begin by adding the burdock root 1 pill at a time. I'll add a total of 4 to this mixture. Next, I will add 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha powder. Follow up with 1 tablespoon of amla, and then 1 tablespoon of Brahmi powder. finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of horsetail. Let this simmer on very low heat for a minimum of 15 minutes. I try to leave mine in for at least 30 minutes. I ended up going to the gym, so my oil has steeped for about 3 hours. I will now decant this into a stocking and separate the oil for my personal use. So here I'm just squeezing out the excess oil that's in the pantyhose, and it smells amazing, you guys. The oil has a chocolatey, like earthy scent, maybe a bit nutty. And then I'm gonna just pour this into a canister for me to use throughout the week. Okay, so I just decanted my oil, as you saw previously, and the reason why I only chose a portion of this is because I want to continue to let the oil brew in a mason jar for the next 6 to 8 weeks, and I'm going to continue to add more oil to it as I continue to use it up. So I'm planning to use this 2 times a week. One time I want to use it as a hot oil treatment before I shampoo my hair, and the other time I want to use it maybe midweek sometime. And I want to heat up the oil always, never in a microwave, but on the stove, and then give myself a nice deep massage, because all of these herbs and oils in here are penetrating herbs and oils, so you want to get those nutrients deep into your roots. All right, so don't forget to check out my blog. I share a ton of other tips about burdock root. For instance, it's great for eczema, it's great for psoriasis, so you don't want to miss out on all the benefits. So definitely check that out, and also check out my Instagram for Tip Tuesday posts and my Instagram story. You guys know I love to do it up on Tuesdays for you guys. So let me know down below if you guys have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more content like this. Let me know if there's things that you would like me to talk about as well. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys next week on next week's Tip Tuesday. All right, bye.